Ever feel like your cartoon eyes look weird no matter how many lines you add? Yeah, that's because too many lines can make your character look like they haven't slept in 3 days. Sleepy eyes coming in another episode, by the way. So the secret here is not adding more lines, it's knowing which ones to skip. So let's see what to leave out instead. Yeah, I know, I'm literally telling you to draw less, but trust me, your eyes will thank you. I mean the ones you are about to draw. So what I usually do first, not always, but sometimes, is sketch the whole eye outline. See, you won't draw less in the end, you just get rid of some parts of your drawing. Much better, huh? Anyway, once I've placed the eyes, I start shaping them, adding details, giving them some personality and playing with the lines until they fit the character. Now here's where we can slip up by drawing too many lines at once, because we want everything at the same time, details and expression, because we've studied eyes, we've heard that wrinkles make things more realistic, so we think, all right, then let's draw wrinkles, and we draw wrinkles. But then we realize it's just not the best idea and we should have kept it simpler, and then we end up with something like this. So let's clean it up and focus on only one thing at a time. So first, what to leave out. I remove a few parts of the eyes, mainly the lower eyelids with these horrible wrinkles beneath. Oh god, it would be magical if I could do the same with mine as well. But since these eyes have a kind of squarish shape, I also erase the inner lines. Now watch how I erase and redraw. And that's the second thing. I let the lines fade out softly. I always say that working with different line weights instantly make your drawing more appealing. And here's the third thing. Once the whole eye is defined, we can still add one or two smaller lines if we want, but the key is not to overdo it, unless we are aiming for an older character or someone who looks worn out. Because as you saw, it's really easy to get that look for our poor characters. But usually just one little line is enough to add a touch of realism to the eyes. So keep it to a few lines and keep them light and sketchy. And look how it turned out! I put another version here too, with a full eye outline, just so you to compare the two. The original wasn't bad either, because it's not about right or wrong. I just wanted to show you another style you can try on your own character. And to fix that worn look, of course. Hope that helped. So it's really just a matter of taste and style. Some like crisp outlines, others prefer softer ones. The point is that you don't always need to draw every single line clearly. There's gonna be another episode about style and stylization, so we'll explore that there. And in the full tutorial, we'll go deeper into these chilled eyes and we'll play with different shapes and spacing and those tiny details that make your cartoon eyes feel more engaging. It's really just a few small tweaks, but they make a huge difference, I think. You'll see. Can't wait to show you. See you there.